the pass. You need to practice round kick and tornado kick practice at home 1,000 times. You understand? You guys sit down. Should start demonstrate. Watch her. Out. Go. Come on. Faster than that. 3. Okay, balance more. Okay. You need to practice your people. You understand? Stand up. Slide up, round off kick and jump back kick. Ready? Go.
Slide up, slide up, kick. Slide up.
No. William, try. Ready? No.
Jump back kick.
No. Stand down towards the deep for your kick. Go. Down. You guys sit down, watch. 1 kick at a time, down. Slide rounds to 1. Stay there, kneel down, a bit. To jump. And then kick. Right. Did you understand? William, how do you want to do? Explain. Stand up. Okay, so take a, to jump, you're gonna kneel down. You understand? So right at the first kick, smash landing, smash land, you're gonna kneel down and then jump back kick. You understand? Now try again. 1, right there. Okay, one more. So 2 movements clearly. 1, and then down. Kick! Right. Do you understand? You guys will stand up. Now go back. Ready. Go. Okay, close. Okay, close. Okay, good. On. Which leg are you kicking with? Miss Santosa? 1. Jump with. I think it's you drunk, I think. No? No? Come here. You with right there. You understand? Come on. 1. Stay. When you jump, you with right left. Which one is right left? Right. Okay? Alright. Okay. No, you need to stand down. Okay, get in. Alright, good, hurry. Are you teasing me right now? Choose back left. Okay, bro. Now is the hardest of that. You need water practice, guys. And then So practice zero. Understand?